Hi, it's Ross Waugh here from Infomanage.com and another one of our short video blogs, and coming off the back of several very busy weeks. Been out of New Zealand working on a project, asset management project, which has been pretty interesting, enjoying that. Around New Zealand, I've been working with a client on delivering some training and mentoring and helping them just keep their asset management improvement program rolling along towards their next development of AMPS. And interesting thing with training is, where do you start? They've got some new, very capable technical people moved across into asset management roles, just wanting to get them right up to speed as quickly as possible. So I've been doing for the last few years the Engineers New Zealand Continuing Professional Development Training here in New Zealand. Use that as a starting point. It's a question we get from our subscribers to Infomanage and our readers from time to time. The best place to start looking, if you're looking for training, is universities or your national associations, either Infrastructure Asset Management Association, IAM in the UK is a good example of that, or your professional engineering associations, so IPWEA and Engineers New Zealand here in New Zealand, and APWEA in the States, all starting to offer or have been offering a range of in-service and diploma, technical post-grad diploma type training. In Australia and New Zealand here, if you look on IPWEA's website, they have NAMS, which is does all the asset management training in both countries and up into Canada. So they're a good place to start looking and accessing materials. I am planning to put a bit more of a comprehensive view on this up in future vblog. I made a list of it all the other day, just haven't got it fully developed. One of the things that came up with the client I was working with last week was around capital investment planning, and the slide you'll see up on the screen now was from the 1998 manual. And what it's showing is that if you're wanting to take cost reduction or life cycle total cost of ownership optimization opportunities, you need to do that in the planning and design phase. No use trying to do it once you're constructing or once you're operating an asset. And I think a trend that I've noticed over the years now is that we often have very standard designs. We're trying to cut that cost out, trying to keep that to a minimum. At the same time, perhaps we want some innovation. Those two things don't go together. So if you're wanting innovation around design, something that's just a little bit different, or you're wanting to really optimize your total life cycle cost, you do need to put your effort into your planning and design end of the life cycle stages of your assets. So hopefully that just gives you something to think about, ponder on, and we'll see you next time. Thanks very much.